today's video, you will learn how to use essential oils to lose weight. Here on our channel, we always talk about the benefits and different uses that essential oils have for our skin and body in general. One of the most used essential oils is lavender. Have you tried it? How do you use it? Share your experience with us. Highly concentrated extracts from plants, these oils are not only key products of spa centers anymore, and can already be found in many beauty cosmetics, medicines, and even in some foods. Not to mention that, today, it is super common to find essential oils in the homes of many granola people around the world. In between some of the most common uses for essential oils, aromatherapy has gained a lot of space in the control of stress and anxiety, disease protection, joint pains, and many other functions. But in today's video, you will learn how to use essential oils to help you lose some pounds. The weight loss process can be hard, slow, and sometimes frustrating. Aromatherapy can help reduce your appetite and lessen the anxiety that many times is associated with the struggle of following a diet. Now let's learn about 5 essential oils whose benefits can help you stay in line with your diet. Bergamot reduces the anxiety and sadness that can lead to binge eating. Also, this oil interrupts the cycle of excessive eating and helps reinvigorate and gives more positive feelings. Cinnamon, known for boosting metabolism and burning more body fat, cinnamon essential oil is recommended to help with the metabolization of sugar in the body. The essential oil is not recommended for pregnant women since it stimulates uterine contractions and may result in spontaneous abortion. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Bitter orange. This essential oil helps reduce the appetite, especially when it is related to emotional eating. It can be inhaled during the day to reduce hunger crises and/or before meals to avoid excessive eating. Peppermint. This oil stimulates the brain to control hunger. It also relaxes the stomach muscles, contributing to a better digestion. Grapefruit. This oil contains nootkatone, a rare substance which stimulates the production of enzymes that increase energy levels and metabolism. It also contains limonene, which increases fat burning and reduces appetite. How to use these oils? Just open the bottle and inhale. Inhale deeply and hold your breath for 2 seconds before exhaling it. You can do it throughout your day and before your meals. In the beginning, you can do 3 to 5 inhalations 10 times a day. Do you have any of these essential oils at home? Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.